Hey there, it's Rob, the Ignorant Entrepreneur, and today I got a Bitcoin price prediction model running like clockwork toward new record highs in 2021. Highlight, worst case scenario, still sends Bitcoin to six figures by Christmas. On June 20th, the price of Bitcoin was below 34,000, and one analyst made a forecast that the cryptocurrency would rise by 13,000 by the end of August. On August 31st, the price of Bitcoin closed at 47,156, less than 1/3% off by the prediction. Now, I've made a video about this person before, but the person making that forecast, a pseudonymous Dutch analyst named PlanB, has become renowned for the astounding accuracy of his stock-to-flow S2F model, which is based on Bitcoin's inbuilt scarcity. S2F works by dividing an asset's current supply or stock by its annual production or flow, which for Bitcoin halves roughly every 4 years. These 4-year cycles come with boom and bust price rallies and corrections, with new peaks hit roughly 12 to 18 months after each halving event. The most recent halving took place in May 2020, and Bitcoin hit a new record just 11 months later, but according to the S2F models, this was just the first leg of the rally. According to PlanB's worst case scenario, Bitcoin will return to its all-time highs of 64,000 by October before hitting 98,000 in November and 135,000 in December. Here you can actually see a screenshot of the tweet that he posted that shows this prediction model. Now, it's important to note that the simplicity of the model means that it's prone to being knocked off course by a multitude of external factors, as was demonstrated when Bitcoin crashed from 64,000 to below 30,000 between April and June. This correction came amid a devastating mining crackdown in China and Tesla's announcement to reverse its decision to accept Bitcoin. Yet a massive bounce back fueled by positive news like El Salvador's Bitcoin law to make it legal tender has seen the cryptocurrency return above 50,000 and fall back in line with the S2F model. All these forecasts can be destroyed by a black swan event like a Bitcoin ban, COVID escalation, or war with China, etc., PlanB told The Independent. On the flip side, PlanB said that ETF approval or El Salvador success spreading or favorable legislation could be the trigger event for the rest of the next leg up. And of course, the complete lack of sellers at one point, in his opinion, we're approaching that point in a few months. Now, there's more than one version of the S2F model, with the first one published in March 2019 when Bitcoin was less than 4,000, predicting a peak of 55,000. A revised version released in April 2020 put Bitcoin on track for 288,000 this cycle. By the time the next cycle comes around in 2024, Bitcoin will be on trajectory towards a 1.1 million price. Absolutely unreal, but PlanB's forecasts continue to be realized like clockwork, earning him more than 700,000 followers on Twitter. However, the STF model has not been short of detractors. In fact, Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin, who founded Bitcoin's closest rival in terms of market cap, described the S2F model as an unfalsible theory, while prominent fund manager Nico Cordiero dismissed it as just math-laden marketing. Both of these comments were made just last June when Bitcoin was struggling to break above 10,000. You know, Bitcoin's notorious volatility means that it's never more than one bad news story away from suddenly crashing, and urges people to take a longer-term view on cryptocurrency's market movements. Wow, these are PlanB. He's been fairly accurate, so this is interesting to hear him say this and commit to this model, stick with it. So let me know what you guys think. You know, we have Jim Cramer saying that you have to have at least 5% of your total portfolio in Bitcoin at this point, or Ethereum. This could be the start of wealth for many people. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. This has been The Ignorant Entrepreneur. I'm out.